Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you're broke? Hello. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can travel to Canada for yes, on a budget. You can actually study in Canada on a budget. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I thank you for how, for always sharing my videos out. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always leaving your comments. I see you and I truly appreciate you guys. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California, United States. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. You can see one of my pieces right there. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel, I share 3 videos every week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, let's go. Don't forget to introduce yourselves in the comments. So, guys, let's go. So, are you planning to study abroad in Canada, or you're feeling overwhelmed by the tuition fees or the fear of rejection? Guess what? Today we're going to have a look at one of the most affordable Canadian colleges that also offer high acceptance rates this year. Now, this institution is not just easy on the pocket, it is also welcoming to international students like you, and they offer globally recognized programs. So, whether you are eyeing diploma courses or you are looking to build a pathway towards PR, becoming a permanent resident, this is a great place to start. Guys, if you want to study in Canada in a peaceful setting that is kind to your wallet and big on opportunities, then check out Selkirk College in British Columbia. So guys, here are some details you need to know about Selkirk College. Selkirk College offers certificate, diploma, and degree transfer programs in art, sciences, business, and healthcare, all with a personal touch. It is located in places like, Castlegar, Nelson, BC, and is surrounded by mountains, lakes, and forests, which is a dream nature for nature lovers like me. They also have high acceptance rates. Selkirk College is known for welcoming students from all over the world. They have smaller class sizes and flexible admissions, and they make getting in much easier than at big universities. So guys, as for the tuition for international students starts around 13,000 Canadian dollars, plus the cost of living in BC interior is far lower than major cities. And here are some extras: on-campus housing, affordable apartments, scholarships for merit, and need stunning scholarships for merit, and they also have stunning surroundings for balanced student life. So guys, for students, if you are looking for an affordable, beautiful, and welcoming place to learn, Selkirk College is worth exploring. Yeah. So guys, as always, I have done all the homework for you, but first I want to tell you this: if you are planning to travel abroad or study abroad, first thing you need to do, like I always say on my channel, is to have a positive mindset. Yes, beyond having a positive mindset, then if you are proceeding to study for your second degree, then please start processing your transcripts. Yes, do your transcript evaluation. Reach out to your alma mater, the school where you graduated with your first degree, and process your transcript, which is the compilation of all your results from first level to your final year. Then they will evaluate it according to the GP of the country that you are planning to relocate into. So go ahead and start with your transcript evaluation. And of course, you already know the process is to use DHL or something. For me, I used DHL, and it took 3 days for them to send the results, my transcripts, to the school, to West. So I use World Education Services. So if you are planning to actually come to the United States, I'm sure it's a different platform for Canada, but for United States, you can use West, World Education Services, and one other one. West is one highly recognized and highly accepted means of evaluation, transcript evaluation here in the United States. So you can send it to West, and you also get an unofficial copy for yourself. Yes, you are also going to get an unofficial copy for yourself transcript, because schools do not accept transcripts directly from you. Anyone can just go and create that. So it's just for your own record, so they have to get it from your school or through West to do all the verification processes, and then they will send your evaluation to the school that you have selected to study. So guys, on this channel, I'm constantly seeking opportunities that will help you become the best version of yourself. The next thing you need to do is to apply for admission. Once you find the school in question, if you don't know what school, here on this channel, I have over 500 videos on this channel, that you can check out and start to apply. And if you don't know what school to apply to, don't worry, I've got you. When you go on my channel, you can see the thumbnail tells you what country. So if you want to study in China, you will see China China on the thumbnail. If you want to study in Belgium, you see Belgium on the thumbnail. You want to study in Netherlands, you see Netherlands on the thumbnail. So that's how you figure out which school you really want to go. I usually compile the best schools in all of these countries, and I usually share them with you on this channel. So make sure that you check out my other videos, my previous videos. Just check out my playlist. Apply to multiple schools. Don't just apply to one school. Don't just apply to only one school. Don't do that to yourself. You want to increase your chances of getting selected, so you want to apply to as many schools as much as possible. And for scholarships, please don't miss out on scholarships. There are so many scholarships that are available on a on a semester, on a rolling basis. So guys, also check out your school portal, whatever school that you decide to go to, and check out the school portal and check if they have scholarship opportunities available. There are usually tons of different scholarships that you can apply to, and you have to apply to each of them. So please, in case the portal it's not open yet or it has closed, don't worry, check back every week or every 2 weeks to see if any of those scholarships are now open, because it is very easy to miss out on these scholarships and then you pay through your nose. When you get $10,000 scholarship, it's something, it does the whole lot, or you get a 50,000, or you even get a full ride. And most of the time when you get a full ride, you're probably expected to meet a minimum CGPA. You have to maintain that CGPA so that you can keep collecting your tuition fees free of charge. You can keep paying for you until your graduation. So please make it, just put it in your calendar every week. Make it a routine, part of your routine, your weekly routine, to check your university portal and see if they have new scholarships that are available. And like I said in my previous videos, I told you there are also presidential scholarships. Presidents of your school, of your university, usually have their own scholarship slots, and anyone can apply for them. But if you're not aware of them, you will miss it, because I missed it too when I was studying for my master's degree. I found it late, and because I don't want you guys to experience the same thing that I did, that's why I'm telling you now to always check your school portal every week or every 2 weeks to see if any of these scholarships are open. There are multiple scholarships that you would find on your school portal for every school, I'm telling you. And for those of you that cannot afford your application fee, and you also want to reduce the chances of applying to multiple schools and paying application fees, and you're not selected, these schools that I'm sharing with you have high acceptance rates, and that way you're able to reduce your you're able to hedge against those losses, losing the money for your application. However, I have good news for you. Do you know that you can apply for application fee waiver? Yes, you can email admissions of any school that you really want to apply to, even Harvard University. I tell you, even Ivy League universities, you can apply for application fee waiver. You tell them you cannot afford the application fee, and that's okay. Then they will accept your application even without paying. So yes, take advantage of the application fee waiver. You can request for it from the schools in question, and that is it. Just go to the go to your university portal, and then go to admissions. Yes, email admissions office and request for an application fee waiver. So they will send you the form if they have a form. In most cases, it's a form. You fill it, your name, your details, and all of that, and they will definitely, most times consider you for a fee waiver. So that is about it, guys. In case you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, that's why I said you have to join my Patreon community. Join my Patreon community if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me for 15 minutes, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button. But if you want a 1-hour consultation, you can request for the link in the description, and I'll send it to you. So that is about it, guys. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to say that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourself, guys. I'm Good Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, guys, and bye for now. Love you.